Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit money to Stash. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock after depositing cash. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfer. Now, select the From account, or the account from which you're going to pull out the money. Next, select the deposit account, either your Stash banking account or personal portfolio. In this video, I chose Stash banking account. Lastly, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then click on Confirm. That's how you deposit money to Stash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.